What is up, guys? Today I will show you all the methods that are available in 2025-2026 to unlock the E2 Pro scooter, Ninebot E2 Pro here. It's available for E2 version as well, or E2 Pro, it's not that matter. And actually, how to unlock it, maximum speed of E2 Pro is 32 km per hour, by default is 20 or 25, depends on the region. And only one method actually is working in 2025. I will show you all the other methods. Here you have the scooter hacking utility app, for example. You can connect your scooter to scooter hacking utility. Let's see whether it's working. It's written E2 models are supported. So first you need to close the Ninebot app to find out your scooter here in scooter utility app. So just click on it and click for stop here. You need to close also, if you have some other app, close them as well related to scooters, and open Ninebot scooter. So as you see, it's my Ninebot F2 scooter. So as you see, scooter hacking utility even cannot find my E2 Pro scooter, only found my F2 scooter. So let's try another app. I have Southdash app that's also working for unlock. So as you see, let me disconnect. I was already connected before. So you see, it's indicating two scooter, E2 Pro and my second one, which is F2. And again, let's try scooter hacking, only one. So actually E2 Pro is not suitable, or E2 for scooter hacking utility. For Southdash it's working, so let's connect it to Southdash device. I already connected before, so actually you can click disconnect. For example, click connect when you connect first time. So actually, as you see, Southdash is working well, but all these controls functions are not available. If you click on expand functionality here, it's written that join the waitlist, so meaning that your model is not supported. Click your email, so I hope they will add it in the future, but as for now, you have only basic settings like curse mode, cruise mode, miles mode. Cruise mode actually working, no, it's not activated on the scooter. So all these maximum inputs are not working. Miles mode, okay, this is working. Quick switch from kilometers to miles. Scooter lock is working. So actually all the basic things are working here well. If you don't want to use, or it's binned to another device, you can use this Southdash app to manage your scooter. Also, you can activate device using the app. And see some characteristics, the total mileage, remaining mileage, and all the other things like available, the software version as well, the battery information available as well here. So actually all the basic information, but you cannot again unlock your scooter using the Southdash app or scooter hacking utility. So you have only one option here. It's physically replace your controller. So controller location is over there. Actually, it's located here. I will show in a different video. I already ordered from AliExpress a new controller. It's cost around $25, already unlocked to 32 km per hour. So here you need to dismantle it like this. Here you unscrew it and put everything aside, replace it, and then you will have the unlocked speed. I will show it in the next video how to do it. As for now, that's only available methods in 2025-2026, no other methods available. Also, in case you have the American version, the United States version, you have already 30 km per hour unlocked, or even 32 in sport mode, so actually don't have this issue. Alright, basically now you heard the only working methods in 2025 how to unlock your scooter, and in the next video I will show you how to do it. Alright, just stay tuned, and next video, see you there. I will unlock the scooter to 32 and we will check it out together.